Good morning, everyone. How are you? Fine. We will start our exercise 2.5. Today we will do the question number 6 of exercise 2.5. Okay. The still students are coming and joining this class. Jia and Jatin. Okay, beta. Now we have to write in the question number 6. We have to write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So question number 6. Write the place value in following. In the part number 1, the number is 2.56. So of what is the place value of 2 in the following decimal number? So it is very easy. You have done it already. Now you have to just choose the whether it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So we mention it ones. This is tens. This is hundreds. So is at ones place. 2 is at ones place. It is very easy. In the second one, the number is given to be 21.37. We can write the same ones, tens, one, tens, here 10, ones, 10, tens and hundreds. ये टेंस और ये हंड्रेड हमें टू कहां पर चूज करना है यहां पर सो व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द टू टेंस सो टू इज एट टेंस place this is tens place this is tenth place a little bit difference in the spelling and pronunciation okay now come to the next 10.25 this is ones place tens place tenth tenth place hundredth place hundredth place so what is the value of the 2 here 2 is at tenth place here 2 is at tenth place tenths tenth place okay so it is easy to identify. I'm taking just a screenshot of this question. Now look at this. Okay, now come to the next part of the same question, part number 4. In the part number 4, the number is 9.42. This is ones place, tenth place. This is hundredth place. Now what is the value of 2? So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is at hundredth place. So 2 is at hundredth hundredth place. Okay, beta. Next, part number 5. The number is given to be 63.352. So here 6 is at tenth place, ones place. This is tenth place. This is hundredth place. This is thousandth place. So 2 is at 2 is at thousands place, thousand place. So finding the place value is very easy task. Okay बेटा, place value कैसे यूज फाइंड करेंगे? To finding the place value, appropriate place value, mention their places, whether they are at ones place, tens place. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 7 of exercise. कौन सी exercise है? 2 point of exercise 2.5. I have taken the screenshot also, and I will send you immediately after the completion of the class. Now the question number 7, and note down your doubts also in during the class, and you may ask these doubt at the end of the class or using WhatsApp. Dinesh want to place Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is at 7.5 kilometer. This is point A. He go to the place B. This is 7.5 kilometer. And from B to C, he moves more. B to C. This is 12.7 kilometer. And Ayub went from place A to place D. Place A to place D, which is 9.3 kilometer, and then D C to D is 11.8 kilometer. 8 kilometer. Now this question is given. Dinesh went from the A to B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer and A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from the place A to place B and from there to place C. So there are the two person. Dinesh, so दोनों ने different different path लिए. They take the different path to reach Ayub to Dinesh. Dinesh went via this way and Ayub went via this way. And at last they reaches at C, starting from A. Okay, this is your question. Start kiya and then they went to the place C. Okay. Now look at this question. You have to travel. Who travel more? By how much? Who travel more and by how much? Now look at this. First of all, A travels the distance traveled by the distance traveled by Dinesh traveled by Dinesh from A to C, A to B to C. कंप्लीटली लिख देते हैं A to C via ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Now the distance is 7.5 plus 12.7. Add them. 12.7 plus 7.5. Now you can add it easily. Now you can add it easily. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10. One more carry. So 20.2. So our addition is 20.2 kilometer. Okay. Now let us erase it. Now the distance traveled by Ayub is equal to from A to B, from A to B, A to D to C is equal to 9.3 plus 11.8, and their sum is 9.3 plus 11.8, 8 and 3 11, 1 carry, 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, 1 carry, and 21.1 kilometer. So now we have to explain who traveled more. So 21.1 is more than 20.2. You know it very well. 21.1 is greater than 20.2. More है, greater than है. So we can say Ayub traveled more. Traveled more. And by how much? It is equal to 20.1 minus 20.2. It is equal to 0.9 kilometer. So it is 0.9 kilometer. You may subtract it. Let us erase it. Rough work. Okay, now the question is ready. And I will take the screenshot of this question. Okay, now, so just I am revising this question again. Look at this. There are the two persons, Dinesh and Ayub. Dinesh traveled from A to B and then B to C. The distance from A to B is 7.5 and B to C is 12.7 kilometer. So how much Dinesh traveled? We have to add these two. हमें दोनों को ऐड करना होगा. So distance traveled by Dinesh from A to B then B to C is equal to 7.5 plus 12.7 and the total is equal to 20.2 kilometer. Okay, this is 20.2 kilometer. In the next one, next person is Ayub. Ayub traveled from A to D and D to C. Distance from A to D is 9.3 and D to C is 11.8 kilometer. So the distance traveled by Ayub from A to D, D to C is equal to 9.3 plus 11.8. So their total sum is equal to 21.1 kilometer. Up 20, now we can see the 21.1 kilometer is more than 20.2 kilometer. So ये larger है. So किसने ज़्यादा travel की distance? Ayub. So Ayub traveled more distance. ठीक है? By what distance? By how much? So 21.1 minus 20 point we will get what we will get 0.9 kilometer. 0.9 kilometer को आप मीटर में भी convert कर सकते हो. It is 900 meters. Okay. This is your question number. Yashu, you are late. You're quite late in the classroom. Not late. It's okay, beta. But please try to come in the class at the proper time. Okay? Always remember, 1 or 2 minutes can be BS. After that, it's too late. Now, in the question number 8, Sham bought Shama. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apple and 3 kg 250 grams mango. Shama bought apples. कितने हैं बेटा उसके पास? 5 kg 300 grams. Shama also bought mangoes and that is 3 kg 250 grams. So Shama bought total fruits. So Shama bought total fruits by how much? Now you can say Shama total कितना fruits purchase करेंगी? Shama bought total fruits is equal to, we have to add them. Now 5 kg plus 3 kg, 8 kg and 550 grams. Okay, so it is easy to add. In the similarly, one more ladies here. See Sarla. Sarla. Sarla bought apples, oranges is equal to 4 kg, 4 kg and 800 grams. Sarla bought 4 kg and 800 grams oranges, and Sarla also bought bananas, which is equal to 4 kg and 150 grams. So total weight कितना हुआ सरला के fruits का? So Sharla bought total fruits is equal to 8 kg and 950 grams. Very good. So who bought more? किसने ज्यादा परचेज किया? So as हम यहाँ लिखेंगे as 8 kg 950 grams is greater than 8 kg 550 grams. ठीक है? So Sarla bought more by how much? You can subtract. इसने पूछा है by how much? No. इन्होंने यही पूछा है बस who will bought more? Sarla will bought more. So it is easy question. You can also watch this question again. Shama bought the apples 5 kg 300 grams. Shama bought mangoes 3 kg 250 grams. The total is equal to 8 kg 550 grams. Okay. So now the total is given by this number. Now the Sarla bought oranges 4 kg 800 grams. Sarla bought on bananas 4 kg 150 grams. So Sarla bought total fruits by 8 kg 950 grams. So which is larger, 8 kg 950 or 8 kg 550? 8 kg 950 is larger. So whose number is this? This is related to Sarla. So Sarla bought more. Okay. So this is your question number 8. Now come to the question number 9. In the question number 9, how much less is 28 kilometer than 26 22.42.6 kilometer? So we know as 42.6 kilometer is more greater than 42.6 is more than 28. Okay, so 42.6 minus 28, what will we get? इनको आप subtract कर दीजिए. 0.064 and then 1, 14.6 our subtraction is 14.6. So we can say 42.6 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer more than more than 28 kilometer. Just I am revising again. Look at the question. It's very easy question. In this question, just you have to in this question you are giving the two distance. One is 42.6 kilometer and another one is 28 kilometer. Now you have to see which is larger. We can see 42.6 kilometer is larger and then 28 kilometer. So 42.6 minus 28.0 is equal to 14.6 kilometer. So the 40 we can write the conclusion. We can conclude the question by writing this 42.6 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer more than 28 kilometer. Okay. So this is your question number 9. Okay. Now just look at this. Just one more thing to be remembered in the case of exercise of 2.5 is your decimal values. You always remember that one chart, okay, which is given in your book also. This is your any number start from the right hand side. Any whole number start from the right hand side. This is your decimal point. We will start ones here, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then so on. The ones value is 1, tens value is 10, hundreds value is 100, thousands value is 1000. Okay, and then so on. And on the right hand side, this is your decimal point. We will move on the two different side with from the decimal point. आप इस बात को हमेशा याद रखना, decimal points हम दोनों तरफ चल रहे हैं. We will start from decimal point. Okay, so यहाँ पर हमारे पास again क्या आएगा, tenths, then hundreds, thousands, and then so on. Hundreds की वैल्यू, tenth की वैल्यू कितनी होगी बेटा, tenth यानी कि 110, 1/10. Hundredth की वैल्यू 1/100, thousandth की वैल्यू 1/1000. Okay, so these are some values given on the basis of this chart. आपको इसे याद रखना है, remember रखना है. Okay, so it will help you a lot. Now one more thing about this question is the adding of the number. When you are adding the two decimal points 2.56 and 25.6, if you want to add these two numbers, then their addition should be using this decimal point. You should remember this decimal point. Their addition should be like this: 2.56 and 25.6. Okay, if there is no number on the right hand side of the last number on the of the decimal point, decimal point के बाद जो last digit है उसके right hand side में आप कितने भी zeros place कर सकते हो. There is no value. Okay, and similarly you can place on the left hand side of any number which is on the left hand side of the decimal point. Decimal point के side में जो last number होगा, last digit होगा, उसके बाद आप कितने भी zeros place कर सकते हो. They have no values. Now we can add by equating number of digits. यहाँ पर number of digits complete हो गए. यहाँ only 10 ones place था, 10th place नहीं था, we place 0. यहाँ पे 10th place है, 100th place नहीं है, तो 100th place पे हमने क्या place कर दिया, 0. Now add them. 6, 5 plus 6 11, 2 plus 5 7 and 1 8, and 2 as it is. So remember the addition procedure also. So this is very important for you to learn these concept. आपने ये concept नहीं सीखे, then you will be left behind the other students. Okay, so please remember these concepts. Okay, I'm revising it again. You are being asked to add these. You are being asked to add these two numbers, 2.56 and 25.6. 2.56 and 25.6. Then their decimal point should be on the same line. Okay. Now 2 point. You can see now you can add them. Now you can add them easily by placing the number of zeros. Okay. No, but it is not the question of your exercise. This is your external question, extra question. Okay. Try to remember and try to practice such questions. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Thank you. Yes, you have to do all the question in the fair notebook. You may also solve this question, these lines in the fair notebook at the end of the chapter. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. Thank you very much for attending the class.